This is a tutorial on how to add text and speech bubbles to comics. First, we will open up our art program. I prefer using Metabang Paint. It is a free program that you can download onto your computer by going to their website and clicking on the download button. Once you've opened the program, go ahead and insert the image you want to add text to, or create a new project if you're just starting on the art. Go ahead and choose the color and thickness you want for your lines. Make sure you add a new layer for your text boxes. This layer should be on the top. To avoid confusion later on, please name your layers. Next, add in your text. There's a tool on the sidebar for that. It's a capital T. Choose your font. I use CC Wildwords. You can also select the size, color, alignment, spacing, and if the words are bold or italicized. Another feature is the ability to make the text vertical or to rotate it. Something I need to mention is that in Metabang, you can't include just one word that's bold or italicized. If you check the boxes, it will make the whole text bold or italicized. So, if you want just one word changed, you'll have to leave the space in the text to add the word later. Now to add the text boxes. First, click on the layer you made for them. Then, use the Shapes tool and select the circle. Now draw the circle around your text. It might take a few tries. If you get it wrong, just click Ctrl-Z to undo. Next, you'll add the tail leading to the mouth. This indicates who is speaking. Then hide all the other layers and fill in the circle with white. I accidentally did this step out of order, but it's easy enough to fix. You can change the effect of your text by changing the speech bubble. For example, make it like a starburst to indicate that words are being spoken loudly or with passion. You can use the line tool to help with making your lines straight. To show that your character is thinking the text, make a thought bubble. This just looks like a cloud and has 2 or 3 circles leading to the character's head, instead of a tail leading to their mouth. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any more questions, I suggest looking up YouTube tutorials for the specific program you are using, or you can go to the program's website. Good luck creating your comic, and remember, have fun with it. Use your creativity to make something unique.